On this ride, we're going to highlight 3 stories that take place in Brockton. The first is a motor vehicle accident that happens at East Ashland and North Quincy Street. It happened 6/8/2001 at 00:30 hours. It's a 2-car fatal MVA. The second incident is a shooting that takes place at 50 Tabor Ave in Brockton. This took place 6/28/1995 at 00:45 hours. Looked like the individual was shot in the face. I was in Brockton at the time of the shooting, investigating another story which didn't pan out. I had locked down my scanner on Brockton police, and when I heard the shooting come in, I was very close, and I got to the scene quickly and got some footage on it. The third incident is a really big fire that takes place between Main Street and Montello Street in Brockton. The London Clothing Company factory goes up in flames. It was burnt to the ground. This took place 2/15/1987 at 11:45 p.m. The night was very, very cold. Must have been around 5 or 6 degrees with wind. There are 2 ways that you can view these videos easily. The first, if you're on the 4-1 channel, simply go to the featured playlist and then click View All, and then click on list number 3. This will give you all 3 videos. The second way to do it is to simply go look down below the video that you're watching now, and you'll see links linking all 3 of these videos. So if you're going to use these links, make sure that you pause the current video, else you end up getting double audio. Once you're on any 3 of these videos, below the video is a link that'll take you back to this motorcycle video that you're on now. Well, anyhow, stay tuned to this channel because, as you know, I'll be back.